Welcome to Jacob's Trading. Let's show you what we're all about here. Here at Jacob's Trading, we strive to give our customers an amazing selection of crystals, plants, jewelry, other vintage curiosities at affordable prices. For whatever your needs, be it big or small, we got it all. As a family business, we believe in making your shopping experience one of a kind. Our staff here have an incredible range of knowledge to be able to assist whatever your needs may be. From plants and nature, rocks, geology, identification needs, to crystal healing and metaphysical practices. So stop by soon or visit us online to become one of the family. So from all of us at Jacob's Trading,
have a rocking day!